how you can integrate an machine learning model into Blazor Server app. So currently I have two projects in this solution using Visual Studio 2022. I have an API project and the Blazor Server app. So the Blazor Server app has its sample components, pages, home, and it has a services which once I will add the machine learning model, then it will consume the API using the service model. And this one is quite basic. So in the programs, once I hook up the ML model, I'll go through with that. The plan is to use this as an example in the sentiments, which I'm going to run through once I integrate the machine learning model into my API project. So let's start. So I just right clicked and then click on machine learning model and just name it as ML Blazor model. Yep. So once I add the machine learning model, I will get the couple of few scenarios, data classification, value prediction. So for my example today, I'll use the text classification because it has the sentiment analysis in it. Right. So I'll just leave it as default selection. And now I'll select the TSV file which I showed you, and we'll show the data below as well as a preview. Yeah, you can see that. Now I need to select the column which will going to predict. So for this one, I'll select the sentiment as my predict column and the text column as the sentiment text. Click on next. And then I'll start training. So what the start training does is it scans the whole document, and then based on that it will automatically create a ML model for you and then add to the API project, as you can see on the right hand side. So I'll just wait for once it's done. Yeah, it's been completed now. So as you can see on the right hand side, it has created 3 files: consumption, MLNet, and training. In the program, you have to configure add prediction engine pool. This an API. The Swagger has been already added, and the predict is the API call. And in my services, I'm just calling that predict API using the HTTP client. All right, so let's run now. So I'll just click on start. I'll wait for it to build the project and then it will start. Yeah, build has succeeded. Yep. So this is a basic sentiment text in it. It has a text and the predict column. So now what I will do is I will just select the one of the text from the text box, and then I will say predict. And you can see it's a -1. For the positive one, I'll just select the positive and select the predict. Yeah, it's positive. So yeah, hope you like this video, and please do comment if you have any questions. Thank you so much. Bye.